Bethany Reservoir State Recreation Area. Nice. First time here. Turn right here, turn left here.
In half a mile, arrive at Bethany Reservoir State Recreation Area.
Ooh, going up. Apa? Too high. Help me.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
I see mountains.
Apa? Are we gonna park here?
Pay here, sabi.
May bayad?
Something.
Oh, you think so?
I think sabi pay here if you're gonna build something over
Okay,
here.
let's walk there.
Can you look over there?
Nice, scenic view.
I see a giant lake over
I know,
there.
baka yun yung Mountain House Lake. Huh?
Big sabi.
Opo. Ayan, mayroong restroom. And then may nag-fishing, oh.
That's it.
Opo.
I wanna play it.
Life jacket. Fades light. Where? Ayan, oh, boat launching, oh. You can sakay sa boat. Yeah?
I'm scared.
Opo. Oh, nice. Ayun, nag-fishing sila anak ko. Bethany boat launching facility. Where are we going next?
I wish I can do fishing.
Oh yeah, we can do fishing here. Yeah. Come on, let's walk around.
I wish I can do fishing.
Opo. Nag-fishing sila. Let's ask mommy to fish here, huh?
Papa do.
Yeah, dami nag-fishing, oh.
I wish I could do that.
Opo. Pag uwi ni mami, we can do that.
It's free fishing.
Yes. Nagwa-wait lang sila na pag gumalaw yung fishing rod means may fish. Fish on. Yeah, yeah.
I want mommy to help me.
Help you. Okay. Did you know
I haven't did this yet.
Did you know nakaka-addict mag-fish when you huli the fish? You want more fish. Huli ka pa. It's addicting. That's a nice sport. Huh?
There's so many rocks.
I know.
It's so deep.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, bato mo doon sa lake? That's too small. Huh.
Look, you cannot see where they are.
Apa?
You cannot see where they are. Looks like a fish.
Okay. Malaglag ka anak ha. Careful.
Big rock.
Okay.
Look, it's a earthquake in the water.
Supot.
Look, it's an earthquake in the water.
Okay.
In the water. Earthquake!
Okay.
This is a giant meteor
Okay.
going to the water. Look, this is a tiny meteor
Okay.
named For Vesta. Ha! Binks. Look, the smallest circle in the world.
Opo.
Look, this makes the smallest the earthquake.
Okay.
Ha!
Where is it?
It's over there in the shore.
Oh, okay.
The largest earthquake, the medium earthquake in the world.
Okay. Oh, supot.
Wait. that make the largest earthquakes.
Okay. Mm. Huh. 3. Look at that.
So many. Oh, see, it's big.
I know that.
It's the largest rock in the world. Makes the largest. No, really? Imagine I throw those rocks.
I know. Lucky.
Ang laki yung rocks nila.
Uh,
Nila!
Nilo.
This is a good spot.
Okay.
Let me throw like a dozen. Other one.
Baka may ano dyan, mga ants or something. Ay, mga,
I'm scared.
what do you call this? There. Oh.
Harpo.
Oh, tapo mo dun.
Huh?
There's nothing, wala naman dyan. Walang water.
There's nothing here.
I know. Try mo.
That's where we went, over there.
Try mo. Bato mo, dali.
No, water.
Okay. Hmm.
Gold.
That's so gold. Hanap ka ng diamonds. Yeah? Hmm. And gold and what else? Gems. Hanap ka ng gems.
And some
What?
trinket.
Ch-
Largest rock I could find.
Okay.
Oh.
That's too heavy.
Ow,
Ano?
ow.
That's heavy. Terra green ka. Flipping rock.
No, wait. Point of. That's what I'm just gonna do.
Okay.
That's my experiment.
Alright. Look at that mushroom.
Pat.
Opo, first time eating guacamole because of Despicable Me. Yeah. Let's see. Taste mo. Sausaw mo.
This one has my saliva. I'm gonna.
Okay. No, it's okay.
I'm scared.
Let's see. First time eating.
Bro, no more chips. What is this?
Taste mo. How was it?
A little bit good.
You don't like it? Tastes like yung ano mo, yung avocado bread mo.
Taste more.
Can I? Let's see. First time eating guacamole. Is this my first time too? I guess. I try. Crap. Good.
It's good. I'm getting the biggest one I
Okay.
could find.
Sausaw mo ah.
Ah.
Good. Sarap. Yeah, you can use spoon, no? Then lagay mo sa chips. Then eat it.
Ano ko?
Log. Sarap.
slice.
Pizza slice. Okay. Yan, lagay mo dyan. And then eat it.
It's so far away.
See? Much easier than sausaw. Good job.
Ito common buro. It means your face is beautiful.
I know, me
Ito, and then I thought sabi I don't like what you said because sabi you look like you speak Spanish. I thought.
Sarap. First time siya si Portle.
Please subscribe to my channel.